massive shift is coming. Microsoft and Amazon poised to reap the biggest rewards from the UK's $42 billion AI infrastructure surge. Think the AI race is just between the US and China? That's what most headlines would have you believe. But here's the twist that could surprise investors and tech enthusiasts alike. The United Kingdom is now emerging as a powerhouse in AI, and America's tech giants, Microsoft and Amazon, are positioned right at the center of this dramatic expansion. And this is the part most people overlook, the scale of their potential advantage. While investors' eyes have long been glued to the high-flying AI innovation happening in Silicon Valley and across major Chinese tech hubs, they may have underestimated the UK's quiet rise. According to government estimates, the British AI market hit a staggering $92 billion just last year, placing it firmly as the third largest AI ecosystem on the planet. This booming sector is now about to receive a major boost, a massive $42 billion commitment toward building cutting-edge AI infrastructure. Guess which two companies are set to benefit the most? That's right, Microsoft and Amazon. Leaders not just in tech innovation, but in shaping the global cloud foundation on which modern AI depends. Let's dig deeper into how these two titans are making bold moves that could define the next chapter of AI growth in Britain. Just last week, Microsoft teamed up with U.S. counterparts like NVIDIA and Salesforce, collectively pledging $42 billion in fresh investments into the UK. Microsoft stands out, though, announcing a colossal $30 billion investment of its own by 2028. Part of this sum will fuel the creation of Britain's largest ever supercomputer, powered by more than 23,000 specialized graphics processing units, GPUs. Why does this matter? GPUs are the workhorses behind the most advanced AI systems, such as those powering vast language models and groundbreaking image generators. In simple terms, Microsoft wants to arm the UK with the world-class AI muscle needed to compete at the highest level. Amazon isn't lagging behind either. Earlier this year, the e-commerce and cloud behemoth revealed plans to sink more than $54 billion over the next 3 years into the UK's cloud and AI infrastructure. This also means new fulfillment centers to keep up with growing e-commerce demand, showing Amazon's all-in bet on the region isn't just in the digital world, but in physical operations too. Why are these American giants betting so heavily on the UK at this moment? The answer is timing. The momentum for next-generation AI infrastructure in the UK is accelerating, and Microsoft and Amazon are jumping in just as the doors to rapid expansion burst open. For perspective, NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang has projected that global AI infrastructure spending could hit an astonishing $4 trillion by the end of the decade, and the UK aims not to be left behind. But here's where debate might heat up. Will Microsoft and Amazon really capture the lion's share of these AI investments? The evidence is compelling. In the worldwide cloud computing arena, Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure are the undisputed leaders, controlling 30% and 20% of global market share respectively. What's even more striking is their dominance in the UK, where each commands roughly 40% of the market, putting them neck and neck, far ahead of the competition. This unique positioning means that, as more British businesses shift toward advanced AI workloads, they're likely to stick with the cloud providers they already know and trust, AWS and Azure. Another important point, both companies not only have a dominating presence, but also deep pockets and robust local operations. This financial firepower and on-the-ground infrastructure give them an edge to scale up quickly and effectively deliver on their high-profile promises. As UK enterprises accelerate their journeys into AI, expect Microsoft and Amazon's local cloud revenues to soar. But let's pause for a second and consider an investor's perspective. Should these UK-centric investment surges be the primary reason to buy shares in Microsoft or Amazon right now? Maybe not the only reason, but they certainly add fuel to an already strong investment thesis. Both stocks trade at levels that look attractive to many observers. Amazon, for example, has seen its valuation retreat significantly from last year's peaks, which some may find appealing. Both of these companies also stand out for their financial performance, having delivered consistent growth in both revenue and net income over recent years. For example, Microsoft continues to post impressive annual profit numbers, underpinning its reputation as a steady growth machine in the tech sector. The explosive AI opportunity unfolding right now provides Microsoft and Amazon with yet another powerful engine for future growth. As dominant forces in the global and especially UK cloud markets, these two are poised to enjoy considerable benefits as the AI revolution accelerates on British soil. So, is now the perfect moment for both cautious and bold investors to jump in and pick up shares of these AI leaders? It could be. These companies are positioned to ride the wave of AI-driven cloud demand, not just in their American home market or the booming UK, but potentially on a worldwide scale. But here's a key question that might stir some debate in the comments section. Is it healthy for just a few tech giants to command such an outsized share of crucial AI and cloud infrastructure in the UK? Could this concentration be a risk for innovation, competition, or even national security? Or does it simply reflect the practical benefits of scale and proven excellence? Let us know your thoughts. Do you see Microsoft and Amazon's dominance in the UK as a positive, a negative, or somewhere in between? Share your perspective below and join the discussion.